Alright, so the topic for this video is how you can take your client's Facebook Business Manager or business portfolio access. If you're struggling issue with having the access of client's business portfolio or business manager, if you're confused like what access to take, either it is the partial one or the full admin one, so this video is for you. Just watch till the end, right? Okay, so this video will be from the paid media buyer perspective, right? Assume you are in the call and you have to guide your client like how he or she has to share the access. So at very first you have to log in their Facebook business manager or the portfolio section. So this is the dashboard, business information like business details you have to put it on, and that's a section user. So within this section you can have their business portfolio access. If you bit scroll down, there's an account section. You can manage Facebook page, ad account, their applications if they have Instagram account, WhatsApp and thread account. And in the data sources you can manage the Facebook pixel, and if it is the e-commerce, you can create or manage the catalogs within the commerce manager, right? And there are different options are over there. So there is a section of domain. If you connect your business manager with your website, so there are less chances your ad account and business portfolio get banned. And if you scroll down, there's an integration part. There's a new feature, adds MCP server, like if any third party tool is over there and if you want to connect with the MCP, you can do that. Okay, so now the important part is how you can share the access. If you are watching this video from the paid media buyer perspective, how you can take the access from the client. So there are two options, partner and the people. If you have the existing business manager and want to take the client's business portfolio access in your business manager, so you just need to type your partner ID and that's how you can take the access. It's super simple. What I usually prefer, that is the people one. So what I usually prefer to have the access with the people one, so you just need to click on the invite people and put your mail over there, right? So I'm just typing any fake mail here, right? So if you hover on the next section, you can see it's written, before continuing please enter an email address, but you have jotted down your email here, right? So to enable that, you need to click on any white area of this dialog box. If you click over there, this mail will be enabled and you can clearly see next option is visible. So now the important part is what access client want to share it with you. Either it can be partial one or the full access. If client is sharing you full access, right, so you have got the full access in your mail, and if you log in the client's business manager, so whatever property is there, either it is a Facebook page, Instagram account, catalog, pixel, whatever it is, right, you can take the manually access of all the properties, right? But if client is giving you the partial access, you have to request to the client to give you the all the full detail of all the properties, either it is the Instagram account, ad account, Facebook page. That means if client is sharing you the partial access, you cannot take the access of any of the property manually, right? So these things you have to request that. So if client is giving you the full access, like it's all up to you whatever access you want to take, either it is the view one or the manage one, right? So this is super simple. So that's all about the video. You got to know how to take the access of the business portfolio from the client side, right? So if you found this video helpful, do like, comment and share.